workspace really starts with this header bar. This makes navigating Premiere Pro so much faster and easier. Simply move from left to right and each stage of your editing process with import, editing, and export. The project name and the save status are shown right in the center, and you can still access workspaces with the new drop-down menu. You can also customize your workspace, reset workspaces right in the drop-down. The new quick export includes a preset manager so we can export in any format without leaving our editing workspace. We'll look at this in our next video on exporting, but it's a great way to quickly export work to share with others.